So what is the first fundamental form of sigma is E du square plus 2f du dv plus g dv square, where E is equal to norm of sigma u square and f is equal to sigma u dot sigma v and g is equal to norm of sigma v whole square. Sigma u is derivative of sigma with respect to u, and sigma v is the derivative of sigma with respect to v. So we have a first example 5.1, that is for the plane sigma of uv is equal to a plus up plus vq. Okay, and p and q are perpendicular to each other. Okay, also norm of p is equal to 1 equal to norm q. Okay. P and q perpendicular to each other, that is p dot q is equal to 0 and norm p is equal to 1, norm q is equal to 1. Okay. So what is the fundamental form is E du square plus 2f du dv plus g dv square. So first we find E, that is norm of sigma u whole square. So sigma is equal to a plus up plus vq. So sigma u is equal to a is a arbitrary vector, so that is 0, and with respect to u is we get p. Okay, and sigma v is equal to Theorem. This one is 0, this one is 0, and this one is q. Okay, but sigma u is equal to p and sigma v is equal to q. Therefore, E is equal to norm sigma u square, that is norm of p equal to, what is norm p? 1. So norm of p square is equal to 1. And f is equal to what? Sigma u dot sigma v, that is p dot q is equal to, they are perpendicular to each other, so which is equal to 0. And g is equal to norm of sigma v square. This is equal to norm of q square, that is equal to again 1. So therefore first fundamental form of sigma is a du square plus 2f du dv plus g dv square. So substitute these values. What is E? 1. So 1 into du square plus 2 into 0 du dv plus g is 1 into dv square. So this one is 0 equal to Theorem du square plus dv square. So this is the first fundamental form of sigma for the plane. Okay, and second example is for the sphere in lattice longitude coordinates sigma of phi theta phi cos theta cos phi cos theta sin phi sin theta. So first we find sigma with respect to theta and sigma with respect to derivatives. Derivative of sigma with respect to theta and derivative of sigma with respect to phi. So we get sigma theta is minus sin theta cos phi minus sin theta sin phi cos theta, and sigma phi is minus cos theta sin phi cos theta cos phi and 0. So E is norm of sigma theta square. So norm of sigma theta square means sin square theta plus cos square phi plus sin square theta plus sin square phi plus cos square theta. So ഇവിടെ sin square theta common ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ cos square phi plus sin square phi, that is 1, and plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is again 1. So E is 1 and this one is 0. And perpendicular നോക്കിയാൽ മതി ട്ടോ. First one എന്ത് വരും? Minus sin theta cos phi sin phi plus minus sin theta sin phi cos theta cos phi. So both of them 0. Third one is again 0. So that is equal to 0 and g is equal to cos square theta. So the fundamental form of this one is d theta square plus cos square theta d phi square. Okay, and the problems. Calculate the fundamental form of the following surface. This is your assignment problem, and second one is the most important university question, repeated question another. Sigma of uv is equal to u minus v, u plus p, u square plus v square. and also sigma uv is equal to uv u square plus v square. So these are the important questions ആണ് ട്ടോ. So you do that as an assignment work. Okay. And next section is second fundamental form. Okay. Second fundamental form means this is our gamma of t. You can see. Yeah, okay. So here is the gamma of t, and this is the curve. Okay, and this one is a point gamma of t on the curve, and this one is another point gamma of t plus delta t. Okay. So that distance is what? Gamma t plus delta t minus gamma of t, which is perpendicular to what? Which is perpendicular to n. Okay. So here so starting this one. Okay. Suppose gamma is a unit speed curve in r square, and t is a parameter of gamma changes to t plus delta t. That is gamma of t plus delta t minus gamma of t. This curve moves away from its tangent line at gamma of t by a distance gamma of t plus delta t minus gamma of t dot n, where n is the principal normal to gamma at gamma of t. So that the distance moving over the gamma, so gamma of t is moving from, this is the curve, gamma of t, this is the curve. So that distance is gamma of t plus delta minus gamma of t. So this is the tangent line. So that distance perpendicular to n, that distance, tangent is perpendicular to endana principal normal ആണ്. So gamma of t plus gamma of t dot n. Dot n is what? Product എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് വരും? Tangent line നോട് perpendicular ആയിട്ട് വരില്ലേ? Okay. So this is the tangent line. ഇതാണ് tangent line പാസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. കർവിൻ്റെ tangent line പറയുന്നത് ഇതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ this is the tangent line. So this is the what? Is the distance from what? Gamma of t plus delta t minus gamma of t. This distance is gamma of t plus delta t minus gamma of t is the tangent line. So this dot n is the tangent line. Okay. So the curve moves away from its tangent line at gamma of t by a distance gamma of t plus delta t minus gamma of t dot n, where n is the principal normal to gamma at gamma of t. Okay, so we get this one. Gamma of t plus delta t. So applying Taylor's theorems for gamma of t plus delta t. So what is the Taylor's theorem set? Gamma of t plus delta t equal to gamma of t plus gamma dot of t delta t plus 1 by 2 into gamma double dot of t delta t whole square. Third one is 1 by 3 into gamma triple dot of t delta t whole cube plus etc. So other terms reminder consider. So reminder എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു reminder divided by delta t square tends to 0 as delta t tends to 0. So ഈ reminder നമ്മൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് reminder എന്താ divided by delta t square ആണ്, which is 10 to. As delta t tends to 0, that reminder become 10 to 0. Okay. So now n is a perpendicular to the unit tangent vector. N is perpendicular to the unit tangent vector t. T is what? Gamma dot. And also we know that gamma double dot is what? T dot, which is equal to Kn, where K is the curvature. Okay. So gamma double dot n is K. Okay. So we get gamma of t plus delta t, substitute ചെയ്യാണ്. Gamma of t plus delta t is what? Gamma of t plus this one minus gamma of t means gamma of t cancelling. So we get, നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ എന്താ വരിക? Gamma of t plus delta t minus gamma of t dot n substitute ചെയ്യാം. So what is gamma of t plus delta of t? Gamma of t plus gamma dot of t, okay, gamma dot of t delta t plus gamma 1 by 2 into gamma double dot of t delta t whole square plus remainder minus gamma of t dot n. Okay, so this one is cancelled. So we get gamma dot of t dot n, gamma dot of t dot n into delta t plus 1 by 2 into gamma double dot of t dot n into delta t square plus remainder. Okay, so which one is equal to? N is a principal normal, so which is always tangent to, which is always perpendicular to the tangent. So gamma dot of t dot n become 0. 0 into delta t plus 1 by t into what is gamma double dot of t dot n is k. K delta t whole square plus etc. as a reminder. So we get this one. Okay. So similarly, we know gamma of t is equal to what? Sigma of uv. Is it? Sigma is a surface patch. Okay. And consider sigma is a surface patch in R cube with a standard unit normal capital N. As a parameter, uv of sigma change into u plus delta u, v plus delta v. Okay. T is changed. T is changed to t plus delta t. So here uv is changed to u plus delta u, v plus delta v. Okay. So we consider same as. But gamma of t is sigma of uv and this one is sigma u plus delta v. This one. This tangent is what? That distance. Sigma u plus delta u, v plus delta v minus sigma of uv dot principal normal n. Okay. So similarly, we apply the Taylor series to what? Sigma u plus delta u, v plus delta, same as. Okay. So we get this one. Sigma u delta u plus sigma v delta v plus 1 by 2 into sigma u delta u square plus 2 sigma uv delta v delta u delta v plus sigma uv v delta v square plus etc. Remainder. Okay. Well, reminder divided by delta u square plus delta v square tends to 0 as delta u square plus delta v square tends to 0. And sigma u and sigma v are tangent to the surface. So which is perpendicular to what? N. So, okay. So that is sigma u dot n is 0 and sigma v dot n is 0. So that is, so we get sigma. So this one, the sigma u plus delta u, v plus delta, okay, delta v minus sigma of uv dot n. So which is equal to what is sigma u plus delta u, v plus delta v is sigma u delta u plus sigma v delta v plus 1 by 2 into sigma u delta u square plus 2 sigma uv sigma u sigma v plus sigma vv delta v whole square plus remainder. Okay, so this minus sigma uv whole of dot n. I'm sorry, ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഇതും കൂടി വരും കേട്ടോ, സിഗ്മ യു വി ഉണ്ടാവും കേട്ടോ. ടൈലർ സീറ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഐം സോറി. ഓക്കെ, സിഗ്മ യു പ്ലസ് ഡെൽറ്റ യു കോമ വി പ്ലസ് ഡെൽറ്റ വി എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ സിഗ്മ യു വി പ്ലസ് സിഗ്മ യു ഡെൽറ്റ യു പ്ലസ് സിഗ്മ വി ഡെൽറ്റ വി. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് സിഗ്മ യു വി ക്യാൻസൽ. സോ വി ഗെറ്റ് സിഗ്മ യു dot n delta u plus sigma v dot n delta v plus 1 by 2 into sigma u dot n delta u square plus 2 into sigma uv dot, I'm sorry, this is delta u and delta v. Okay, the sigma uv dot n into delta u delta v plus sigma vv dot n delta v whole square plus etc. Plus etc means remainder. Okay. So we get this one. And sigma u and sigma v the tangent, so which is perpendicular to n, that is sigma u dot n is 0 and sigma v dot n is 0. So we get 1 by 2 into sigma u dot n delta u square plus 2 into sigma uv dot n delta u delta v plus sigma vv dot n into delta v whole square. Okay, so we get this one plus remainder. Okay, so we take on L is equal to sigma uu dot n and m is equal to sigma uv dot. Okay. L is equal to sigma uu dot n, m is equal to sigma uv dot n, and n is equal to sigma vv dot n. So substitute these values in this one. So we take this 1 by 2 as a common. So 1 by 2 common cheyyumbom taken as little this one. I'm sorry, this 1 by 2 is the same common anato. I'm sorry. Okay. So sigma u plus delta u, v plus delta v means sigma uv plus same as this one. Okay. Here what is gamma t plus delta t? Taylor series apply cheyumbo gamma of t plus gamma dot of t delta t. So first derivative plus 1 by 2 into second derivative terms. So here 1 by 2 into, okay, just correct it. So 1 by 2 into this one. Okay. So these are the common bracket. So we get 1 by 2 into this one plus remainder. Okay. So substitute this value, we get 1 by 2 L delta u whole square plus 2 m delta u delta v plus n delta v square plus remainder. Okay. Therefore, L delta u square plus 2m delta u delta v plus n delta v whole square. This is the, which is equal to del L into, which is equivalently L into du square plus 2m du dv plus n dv square. So this is called second fundamental form. Okay, this is called the second fundamental form. So what is first one fundamental? E du square. What is the first fundamental? Okay, E du square plus 2f du dv plus g dv square. So here L du square plus 2m du dv plus n dv square, where L is the sigma uu dot n. So first we find the second derivative of sigma with respect to u, and n is the principal normal dot n, and m is sigma uv dot n, and n is the sigma vv dot n. So substitute, find these values and substitute this equation. So this is the second fundamental form. So first ഇവിടെ main ആയിട്ടും just നമ്മളിവിടെ consider ചെയ്യുന്ന that distance ആണ്. So sigma, and gamma of t is a point and gamma of t plus delta t is another point. So their distance with the principal normal, it is the tangent vector. It is equal to the tangent vector. So നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ consider ചെയ്യാം? Gamma of t plus delta t minus gamma of t dot n consider ചെയ്യാം. So next we apply the Taylor series to gamma of t plus delta t. Then we find the values. Okay. So this is the second fundamental form. So here plain, same example, I'm sorry. So plain apply sigma uv is equal to a plus up plus vq. So sigma u is p, sigma v is q are constant vector. So sigma uu is 0 and sigma uv is 0, sigma vv is 0. So second fundamental form of a plane is always 0. So next, sigma uv is equal to f of u cos v, f of u sin v, g of u. So first we find the sigma with respect to u. So sigma u is f dot cos v. Okay, cos v is a constant and derivative of f is f dot. So f dot cos v, f dot sin v, g dot. Okay, sigma v is a minus f sin v, f cos v, 0. And the question is, okay, then principal norm is what is n? Sigma u cross sigma v divided by norm of sigma u cross sigma v. So find this value. So we get n is equal to minus g dot cos v minus g dot sin v, f dot. So that is the f n. Okay, so next is sigma u consider, sigma u v find chedu. Next we find the sigma v. Next L is what? Sigma u dot n. Okay, sigma u dot n is this value and m is sigma u dot n is 0. So we get the value. N is sigma vv dot n. Okay, that is f dot g. So substitute these values in the equations. L du square 2m du dv plus n dv square. So that is the second fundamental form, and so this is the important question. Okay, so first, this is important. You can try it. Maybe chodikam. Not sure, but maybe. Okay. So this is the second fundamental form. Next, seminars. Seminars. So nalla pole prepare cheyam ട്ടോ. And normal and principal curvatures la Munson's theorem. Munson's theorem important ആണ്. Just ഈ graph consider ചെയ്താൽ മതി. Study this graph only. അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ അതിൽ. അതിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് എടുക്കാവുന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ. And this is the important theorem. And this terms. ഇതൊക്കെ first fundamental form, second fundamental form terms ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ സെമിനാർസ് നല്ലപോലെ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യാം. Euler's theorem. Okay. And this cosine and mean curvature definitions nalla prepared cheya. Okay. And this theorem is important aanu ട്ടോ. ഈ theorem proposition 7.1. Okay, so seminars there is this is an important theorem. And pseudosphere syllabus illa, I'm not sure. That service is not there. Next geodesic aanu. Geodesic just and study this one. Okay, itra portions ello. So next